at her like she lit a match inside your chest. Don't bother telling me it's harmless. I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed. Before you learn to forget me quick. I'm not the storm you thought I'd be. I'm quieter than you deserve, but every calm hides undertow. And baby, I have heard your words. You said you loved me like no other. I guess she must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette and burned through that girl you kissed, like I was just your last regret. Maybe she won't mind the ghosts you carry in your heavy hands, but I hope one night you see my face when you're trying hard to love again. So don't say her name, I carved it deep into the space you used to keep. The warmth I gave, the tears I hid, the version of me you dismissed. Hope she knows who paid the price for that girl you kissed. And every lie behind that night. Yeah, I was that girl you kissed, and the one you left behind.
Walking past the old bakery, a morning light once caught your hair. The sense of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, the ghost I chase, looking at me through alleyways and memories sweet. Your presence lingers incomplete. The flower shop where you'd always pause still blooms with roses, jasmine, pine. summer air just leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story lost, while seasons change and pathways cross, the scent grows stronger as our own. The places we once called our home, each corner holds a piece of you and fragments of your sweet perfume. And I know that you're not coming back. The air still holds you close, and I feel every trace you left behind, like a map I can't erase. The fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot meet, through alleyways and memories sweet. Presence linger, incomplete. The autumn wind carries something familiar. The river streets at dusk, but this time I let it pass me by.
There was a mile mark burning in the heat. Sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune, static dancing in the afternoon. And something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. Didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new, but there it was breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you, didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth you never could outmove. Yeah, it found you. Windshield humming with a low refrain, dustless horizon, no hint of rain, but every word felt sharp and true, like it was written in a room I knew. I pulled got something lost or something to pursue, just a song to find you.
Under the sky where the moonlight plays, ripples dance in the river's grace. Dreams float by on a soft embrace, whispering tales of a gentle place. Stars above in a velvet blue, casting wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through. Every glow, a promise made anew. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Shadows drift in a slow ballet. Nature's lullaby begins to sway. Every note in a sweet array, breaking silence with a touch of